Are you looking to create e-learning content that is easily shareable and trackable across different platforms? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. Do you want to ensure that your content meets the needs of your learners and is up to date with the latest e-learning standards? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing best practices for implementing SCORM and xAPI in your e-learning content, so you can create effective and engaging learning experiences for your audience. The first step is to ensure that your e-learning content is designed with the specific tracking and reporting requirements of your chosen standard in mind. This means considering factors such as how completion and progress will be tracked, how scores will be reported, and what types of data will be collected. The next step is to choose an LMS or learning platform that supports your chosen standard, and to ensure that your content is compatible with that platform. This will help ensure that your content can be easily integrated and that it will work correctly with the platform's tracking and reporting features. Another best practice for implementing SCORM and xAPI is to continually monitor and analyze learner data to identify areas for improvement and to ensure that your e-learning content is meeting the needs of your learners. This data can help you understand how learners are interacting with your content, what types of questions they may have, and what areas may need to be improved or updated. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in e-learning standards and to continually evaluate and update your e-learning content to ensure that it is taking advantage of the latest capabilities of SCORM and xAPI. This means staying informed about the latest trends in e-learning, attending industry conferences and events, and regularly reviewing and updating your content to keep it fresh and engaging. By following these best practices, you can create effective and engaging e-learning content that is SCORM or xAPI compliant, works well with your chosen platform, and meets the needs of your learners. Remember to design your content with tracking and reporting requirements in mind, choose a compatible platform, continually monitor and analyze learner data, and stay up to date with the latest e-learning standards and capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.